Gusto ko itong chair na to. Bagong-bago pa siya actually. Wala tayong magagawa kasi ayun, naputol nga siya. Let's check out kung paano yung return policy ng Costco dito. So, drive lang tayo for around 10 minutes. Okay fam, andito na tayo sa return. And let's talk to the counter kung ano yung process nila. Good morning, fam bam, and welcome back to our channel. Ayan ang mga kiddos at syempre si Daddy ang nakatokang laging maghatid. Okay, so let's go Kuya Dayvan. Alright, good morning fam bam, Lianica Dunera. Okay fam, so see you later. And fam, by the way, Daddy will be going to office. So it's my first time na pupunta ng office. So it's a working space, but then it's okay kasi I will have some of my colleagues to be with me. So parang 3 ata kami or 4. So it's an adventure for me. First time kong sasakay ng train going to downtown na rush hour. Hi fam! I'm with Lianica Denera now. Ayan ang Lian ko. Yan, nahatid na namin si Kuya sa school. And then, ihahatid ko naman si Lian sa school niya. Yun. Okay, so lakad lang kami. There you go, nahatid na natin si Lianica. And by the way, Daddy's day today will be a bit different. Kasi pupunta tayo ng Calgary downtown. Parang 1 year, twice pa lang kaming magmi-meet. But yeah, and it's my first time also to experience riding the train. Going to downtown na office hour. Kasi ang mga trips namin using the train is parang bakasyon or pasyal sa downtown. So tingnan natin kung gaano ka lala din ang traffic dito sa Calgary. So it looks like our mission going to shared work office has failed. Punong-puno na ang car park train station. Hopefully may dumating pa na isang pwedeng palitan ng parking. Excuse me, are you leaving?
Also, we're sorry.
Okay. Alright, okay, so I just asked. Wala daw. So, yeah, we're just waiting and kung wala pa in 5 minutes, we can't do anything. Uwi na lang tayo. Tawag dito ay Saddletown train station. So if you could see that train, let's try to zoom in. Ayan siya. So supposedly yan yung sasakyan ko, but then again, no choice. Wala tayong magagawa. Kung walang parking dito sa Saddletown, uuwi na lang ako. Nakaporma pa naman ako and ready to go. Sayang. Anyway, may next time pa naman, so lesson learned. Dapat mas maaga talaga dito sa train station na to para makapag-park ka actually. Fam, good morning! Maayong buntag, maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan. Good morning, Calgary! And good morning, Pilipinas! So today nga pala ay super sunny. If nakikita niyo yung araw dyan, ayan. And it's 7 degrees. Hopefully, tuloy-tuloy na to at mag-spring na. Yan. And by the way, ang problema naman dito ay since yung townhouse namin ay hindi siya dual, aircon and heater, pag summer, sobrang init naman. So what I do is naglalagay ako ng portable aircon. And what happened to me last night, habang nagpe-prepare din, nag-ayos din ako at nagkumpuni. Ayan, may box na kami for our upcoming trip. And while kinukumpuni ko pala yung box kagabi, ang nangyari ay nasira ang handle ng aking office chair. So parang iniisip ko, covered kaya to ng warranty? But then, I realized na Costco nga pala to. So, for today, i-try natin kung gaano kaastig ang return policy ng Costco. So, load up ko lang yung chair and then drive na tayo going to Costco. Siguro mga around 5 to 10 minutes. If you've seen the previous vlogs, medyo malapit lang yung Costco sa amin dito. Rocky View Costco. So tingnan natin kung gaano kaastig ang return policy ng Costco and kung mapapalitan nila or mag-opt ako for a refund. So, let's check and samahan niyo ulit ako. Dito ako sa garahe ngayon, so pinaprepare ko lang. Nakita ko pa yung box. Ang priority ko talaga is kung sa tatanggapin ng Costco, magpapalit lang ako. Hopefully may stock sila nitong chair na to kasi gustong gusto ko. And it's actually cheap, around 180. Nung nag-sale yung isa naman, sa taas, nabili lang namin siya around 150. So it's a very good deal. Mukhang hindi ko na siguro i-deconstruct. So medyo weird lang pag pinupush ko yung cart mamaya kasi buo yung chair. So hopefully that's okay and doesn't really matter to them kasi yun naman ang nabasa ko sa policy. Ayun fam, so na-load ko na yung chair and punta naman tayo sa harap just to show you na na-load ko na rin yung box niya. Laki ng box, hindi siya kasya dun sa likod na. Yan, so nasa loob na ako ng sasakyan and as you can see, sobrang laki ng chair talaga. Nandun yung chair sa likod. So, let's check out kung paano yung return policy ng Costco dito. Pero again, as what I've said, I'm confident naman na i-honor nila yung return or exchange. Exchange yung gusto ko kasi kung may stock pa sila of the same chair, I would still get it. Kasi okay naman siya. Wala naman siyang problema. Okay, so nasa Costco na actually ako. Pero dahil nandito na rin tayo, it's gas time as well. And again, ito ang pinakamura so far dito sa Calgary pag usapang gasolina. It's actually, the price check would be $1.27, so $1.27 per liter ngayon. So sobrang mura talaga. Usually yung other gas stations, so usually sa ibang gas stations nasa 10 cents yung mahal niya. So of course, since nandito na tayo, pagas na rin tayo. Pagka-park ko, kuha lang ako ng trolley and then load up na natin ang ating office chair for exchange or refund. So see ya! Okay fam, so kuha lang tayo ng trolley. There we go. Oh. So hopefully kasya yung chair natin dito. Pag hindi, kailangan kong kumuha ng flatbed na trolley. Nag-decide na akong kumuha ng flat na trolley kasi mukhang hindi talaga siya kasya. Excited na akong mag-return. First time ko. And for sure, for sure i-acknowledge ng Costco yan. Alright, see ya! Parang may subscriber pa ata tayong nakita doon. ayan, sakto may flatbed. So hiramin natin to and ang solid. Oops. Okay, so andito na yung flatbed na trolley and andito ang ating chair. So kasyang-kasya na yan. Tulak na tayo. Sulat dun sa website nila na no questions asked. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung process nila. Pero I bet it's smooth. Kaya nga madaming bumibili dito sa Costco. Kasi you have the option talaga to return it. Okay fam, andito na tayo sa return. And let's talk to the counter kung ano yung process nila. That was amazing. Ang galing ng return policy ng Costco. No questions asked. Kinuha lang niya yung trolley. Ang kinuha lang sa akin ay order number and my membership card. That's it. And then nag-punch lang siya ng refund. So, ang policy nila ay wala silang exchange, but they're going to refund you the original amount of purchase. And then kung gusto mong bumili ulit nung same chair, pupunta ka lang sa Costco or papasok ka lang dun sa kabilang entry and magsha-shopping ka ulit kung ano ang gusto mong bilhin. So, success! Ayan, na-refund natin. And previously, I bought this one for $189. Ang astig nung refund nila is without the sale. So, the total refund is actually $199. So, may dagdag pa na $10. It's because I think that's the original amount. Grabe tong Costco, kaya pala ganito. At ang dami talagang bumibili dito. Kasi nga, no questions asked. They're just going to refund you the exact amount on how much you bought the item, and you could shop again off the same item or ibang item. Basta, meron ka ng dagdag na refund dun sa credit card mo. Okay, so again, $199. Successful Costco refund check. Big green check. Galing ng Costco. Galing nyo. At dahil dyan, mapapabili tayo ng mas madami pa. Ito kaya ang bilhin ko. Love, ito na lang bilhin ko. PS5. Magagalit yun si Doda. Kasi hiniritan ko ng hinihiritan. Ang iniiwasan kasi namin is pag naglaro ako ng computer games and pag nakita ako ni Kuya or ni Lianica, yun lang din at yun ang gagawin nila. So, better kung siguro later on na lang akong bumili ng ganyan pag medyo malaki na sila and they could control and we could implement rules kung kailan at kung anong time sila pwedeng maglaro. But now, baby pa sila masyado. So, they would just be tempted and mapapagalitan lang namin sila lagi. So, iwas muna tayo. So, I'm back and try natin maghanap ngayon ng chair na bago. Kasi office chair ko yun eh. Hindi pwedeng wala ako nun. Okay, so ikot-ikot lang muna tayo dito. And fam, if naghahanap kayo ng vacuum, this is the best vacuum for me. Dyson V8. Mura, affordable siya on the side. Ito lang ang mukha niya. At grabe, 3 years na yung vacuum sa amin. Sobrang sulit ng vacuum talaga na yun. Mga recommendations ko sa mga friends ko din. At saka yung mga bagong dating. Oh, kahit sa Pilipinas and sa Singapore. Tinatanong nila ako. So one of the best $500 purchase that we did. Galing. Okay, so hanap na tayo ng chair natin. Tada! I have the same gaming chair. So, bibili lang ulit tayo na to. Since may refund tayo, I decided na ito ang kunin natin. Lazy Boy executive chair. And ipagpapalit ko yung gaming chair na nasa taas, papunta sa baba, and then ito yung nasa taas. Para naman medyo matching siya sa living room kasi yung edit PC namin ay nasa living room eh. And ito nga pala siya. Yan. Yan yung mukha niya. And very comfortable. Counter na tayo para mahabol natin si Nadona. Namiss ko na agad yung mga bata eh. And Lazy Boy loaded up. So let's go to the counter. Wala na din naman akong kailangan bilhin. And ayoko na rin magtanong kay Donna. Kasi pag nagtanong pa ako, bigla tuloy ako may kailangan pang bilhin. So diretso uwi na tayo. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa counter. Bayad lang tayo. Yan, excited na ako. Kasi parang match siya dun sa sala. Okay, paying up. And uwi na tayo. So the new sala chair or PC edit chair namin ni Donna ay nagkakahalaga ng $272 with tax. So it's fine. And ayun pala ang aking previous na chair. So nakita nyo, again, hindi ako nagre-return ng wala lang. Nasira yung sidebar niya. So side arm bar niya, nasira siya. So since wala pa naman siyang 1 year, and I think even more than 1 year pwede mo siyang i-return eh. Ayun fam, so we're good to go. Pauwi na tayo ng bahay. I just wanna thank Costco again for a great refund policy. Sobrang nasiyahan talaga ako. No questions asked. It was very smooth. Kinuha lang agad yung item as long as you have the order number and the receipt, which is, by the way, hindi naman kailangan. And of course, your membership. That's all you need. And I think even though wala ka nung order number, I think you would still be able to get the refund kasi nandun naman yun sa history ng inventory system nila. So that's it. Very good policy. Thank you. And pauwi na tayo ngayon. So dito ko natatapusin yung vlog, and I'll share bits and pieces kung paano ko kinonstruct again yung chair. Makikita nyo naman siya sa good morning videos namin lagi. Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Alba Fambam YouTube channel and Facebook. See you on the next one. God bless kabayan and hang loose!